In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove hiss from an audio clip in FL Studio using Edison. Start by opening FL Studio on your computer. Once it's up, load your project from the Recent Projects screen or through the browser, whichever is quicker for you. Head over to the playlist and find the audio clip that has the hiss you want to remove. When you've located it, double-click the clip in the playlist to bring up its channel settings window. Inside the channel settings window, look at the waveform display. Right-click the waveform and choose Edit in Audio Editor to open the clip in Edison. Edison is FL Studio's built-in audio editor, and it's perfect for tasks like noise reduction because it lets you capture a noise fingerprint and apply it consistently across the whole clip. In the Edison window, click and drag to highlight a short section that contains only the hiss, no vocals, instruments, or transients. This is important. The cleaner that selection is, the better Edison can learn what counts as noise. Pauses between phrases, or a bit of room tone at the start or end, often work well. Now go to the top toolbar and right-click the Denoiser Tool, the one that looks like a toothbrush. From the menu, click Acquire Noise Profile. This tells Edison, this is the hiss. Remove audio that matches this profile. With the profile captured, press Ctrl+A on your keyboard to select the entire audio clip in Edison. This ensures the noise removal is applied to everything, not just the small section you highlighted. Next, left-click the Denoiser tool to open the processing window. We're going to leave all settings at default. Those defaults are designed to provide effective hiss reduction while preserving the natural character of your audio, and they're a great starting point for most recordings. You'll see controls that shape how aggressively the noise is reduced and how much of the original signal is preserved. We're not changing anything here. When you're ready, click Accept to apply noise removal. Edison will process the waveform using the noise profile you captured and the default settings. Once it's done, your clip should sound cleaner and more focused, with the hiss significantly reduced while keeping your original performance intact. That's it, simple, precise, and effective. Congratulations.